Welcome back everyone. So in this series, we are doing something practical. We are learning how to build our own AI agent step by step. But before we jump into our next section, let's understand a very important question. Why do we even need an AI agent? Here is the thing. An AI agent is not just a chatbot which replies to the queries of customer. It goes beyond that. It takes real-time action and automate your work. Think of a scenario. If your AI agent is not just responding to the queries of any stakeholder, it is taking real time action, it is creating a Jira ticket for you, it is creating an Azure DevOps tickets for you, or even it is creating a Power BI dashboard for your sprint report. It will automate most of your day to day work. These are not just the cool demos, these are day to day scenarios to automate your work. And that's exactly in this series we are doing. We are making a practical guide to help you to build your own AI agent. Now, before we jump into our next section, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in my channel so that you don't miss our next video in Agentic AI series. So far, in our previous sections, we have developed our chatbots using Copilot. Those chatbots are very simple. They work as a question and answer model. You ask some questions and they will give you some answers. In this section, we are going to make our real Copilot agent. So what is the difference between a chatbot and agent? A chatbot will just give some answers for your questions, but an agent will not just answer your queries, it will take some action on behalf of you. This is this is the place where real magic happens. So for demonstration purpose, I have already created one Copilot agent named Quick Fix IT Support. As I have already explained how to create an agent in if you have not seen my previous videos, you can go and check the previous videos how you can create these agents. So here I have created a quick fix IT support agent. This will help employees troubleshooting common IT issues and create help desk ticket. So it will not just troubleshoot the common IT issues, it will create a help desk ticket as well. And I have given the instructions as well. These instructions are same as what we did in our previous sections. I have explained to the IT help desk assistant what it should do, how it should categorize the ticket critical, high or low. So this is the instruction section, nothing more than our previous videos. We have not done anything yet. So now let's create a topic for suppose user reaching out to your IT support assistant for some help on, let's say, VPN is not connecting, or I have VPN issue, laptop not connecting to VPN. You can type any keyword that comes to your mind related to VPN, how the user will ask. Why we type these keywords? These keywords will redirect user to follow these steps, whatever we are mentioning here. Forgot VPN password, something like that. So any such sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Any such keywords, uh, our agent will redirect to this topic. Let's give a name to this topic, VPN ticket support. So basically we will not just respond to the queries of user, we will create a ticket on behalf of user in the SharePoint. So when user type this one, so we can send a message, let me help you to resolve your issue. Resolve your issue. Next, let's ask a questions. Please describe the issue that you are facing. Okay, here instead of multiple choice, um, let's accept user entire response, and we will rename this variable as issue details. Okay, so this is the issue details, and if you want you can add one troubleshooting part also. You can, if you have a troubleshooting page, if you have uploaded in the knowledge base, you can upload a troubleshooting page as well, where FAQs will be there and you can access that FAQ from here, but I have not done that. So um, I can help user with some troubleshooting step. Let's say, um, can you please try these steps to resolve the issue, and I'm sorry, and let's create check your internet connection is working. Next, let's say restart your laptop and right click on VPN icon and log in with company credentials. Okay, so I have suggested these steps to the user before I create a ticket in case this resolves by this troubleshooting. That's well, very good. And let's ask your questions now. Let's ask, is your issue resolved? And let's say we give an option yes or no, and user says yes or no option, and we let's add this in a new variable, issue resolved. Okay, so if user says that issue resolved and choice is yes, then we put a message, glad to hear this, that your issue is now resolved. And if it is not resolved, because there are only two options, yes or no, so we don't need this no. Basically we can delete this condition, and for any other condition apart from yes, we will type a message, no worries, I will create a ticket to resolve your issue immediately. Okay, so let's, we have sent this message. Now we need to create a ticket. Let's save this one before we, okay. Now I have promised user to let me create a ticket on behalf of you. So what we will do, we will add a new agent flow. I have already created one, but I wanted to show you how to create this action item. So this is a flow. This is nothing but your Power Automate flow. Here, when an agent calls the flow, what we will do is, okay, let me give some input. When agent calls this flow, ask user following input. Let's say you ask employee name, and then you ask issue details. Then you ask laptop ID. Okay, so that the human agent who will get this ticket. He will know what to do there. Okay, and here we will create an item in SharePoint. So here you see when you want to do, or let me show you what are the things are available in action. In action, you can do various things. You can suppose you are you you want to connect to Jira, you want to connect to Power BI, you want to connect to your Azure DevOps. Everything you can connect from here. Suppose you want it to, suppose your company is working on Jira, create an item in Jira. If you will type, let me see if Jira is available. Okay, it can send an email also, send an email notification if you want to send an email when user will ask for it, and it will create a task if you are using Planner. Similarly in Jira, okay, in Jira create a new issue. You can create a new issue in Jira. Similarly, there is Azure DevOps also. If you are working in Azure DevOps board, you can create directly, you can create a ticket in your Azure DevOps board from here. Somewhere it will be there, Azure DevOps. Okay, create a new work item, update a work item, create a work item, all these action items. There are many more action items you can see here. uh, get query results. So basically all these kind of actions, if you want to get it done by this agent, so you can connect to those things. But right now I want to create it in a SharePoint that is used by our IT help desk team. Let's create an item in SharePoint. Otherwise, I can create a Jira ticket as well. But let's create an item in SharePoint. Let's create item. And so when we call this SharePoint, we need to give a site address for that one. I have already created a SharePoint site just some time back for IT support desk. If you don't know how to create a SharePoint site, maybe I can create one advanced video where I can explain all these details. But right now, because I want to focus on how an Copilot agent taking an action, I am not going to those details. But if you want, please put your comment in the comment box. I will help you in how to create Power Automate flows, and how to create SharePoint site, how to create a database, and maybe suppose in some cases you want to um, access the employee detail from database. So how to access those database, I will create those videos as well in my advanced section. But right now let's go with a simple flow. So I called this IT support desk SharePoint page, and in that page, what list are there, I have created something. So tickets, so there are tickets page I have created. Now there are more fields also, those are optional fields, I don't need that. So status value will be new, or anything you want, you can put it. There are in progress, complete, blocked, or let's say blocked. Okay, no, not blocked. A new item is getting created, so let's, this is the appropriate one. So let's do this one and save my draft. Okay, now I need to rename this one, and I rename it as SharePoint ticket. So this flow, I have renamed it as SharePoint ticket, and let's publish our flow so that it can be called by the Copilot agent, or any Copilot agent can call this flow once I publish this one. Okay, let's go back to the agent and let's see what action it is doing right now. Let's, everything looks fine here. Let's save this one. This topic has 3 error. Okay, so this is one of the thing I wanted to tell you. Let's go to the topic checker and see what error it is there in the topic. Okay, if you go here in the top, it is showing there are 3 errors in my topics. Error will prevent your agent working correctly. In input variable is needed, issue details, laptop ID, and employee name. So here when I have created this, uh, this flow, when I created, I asked for some input from the user, right? So now user need to provide some input. Before creating this ticket, I can ask user one more questions. Before creating the ticket, could you please, or this is message is not needed. Could you please provide your name? So let's and save this as employee name so that we can call this. And what else we need? We need the issue description. Describe your issue, and let's save this as user entire response and variable var1 we replace it with issue description, because issue already we have asked, so we have that variable, so we don't need that. So let's change this. If we'll ask multiple times, user may not be happy, so let's ask please provide your laptop ID. And let's say we are asking user laptop ID, and save this variable as laptop ID. Okay, to call a variable directly, you can type forward slash like this, or you can click on three dot dot dot, and you will see that all your variables that you have declared are already there. Click on dot dot dot, issue detail already we have asked user, and the laptop ID, and laptop ID is this one. Okay, so we have all these things now. Now my topic checker notification has gone. There are no more issues. All errors are zero now, and I can run this agent now. Let's see what happens. How can I help you? Laptop not connecting to VPN. Sorry, there was a spelling mistake, but yeah, I help to resolve. Please describe the issue you are facing. My laptop is not connecting to the VPN. I am blocked now in my work. Need your help to fix this immediately. Okay, let's describe this issue. Okay, it is giving the our troubleshooting steps that I have mentioned. Is your issue resolved? Now let me press no. No worries, I will create a ticket. Could you please provide your name? Let me provide my name, Sandeep. And laptop ID, let me give some random laptop ID. And let's say I give some detail because it should not miss that. Okay, now it is asking to connect to the SharePoint first, because it is a credential I am logging for the first time. So let's see. Let me try to log in. I will allow this, and it should connect to the SharePoint. If I have some credential issue, that might be problem, but oh, this is completed. That means I'm able to connecting to other service with your credential may expose your data. Okay, I am good with that. Let's allow this. Thank you, Shandip. Could you please provide the following detailed operating system? Let's say for one operating system I am using as Windows, and second number, error message, what I'm getting is you are not authorized to log in company portal. Let's say I'm getting this error. Okay, and let's type this. Okay, user has helped us ticket summary. It is the ticket has been created. uh, this is my device id, Windows laptop not connecting to VPN, error message is this one, VPN not connecting. So my ticket has been created, priority has been given high. Shall I go ahead and create this ticket? Yes or no? If I type yes, it should create the ticket in the SharePoint. The details already it has provided to see if the details are correct. And searching for through the knowledge sources, create help desk ticket for, this is the query, and it has what happens next. Ticket successfully created. So this is the ticket number it has provided, status is open, and it has created the ticket. So this is how a Copilot agent creates the ticket in SharePoint and take the action. So this is so nice. You don't have to create ticket manually, and this ticket now any person who is the IT help desk person in your organization will see this ticket. It is prioritized high, and they will resolve this issue for you. So this is how a ticket has been created here using the SharePoint. So now you understood how to, let me publish this agent. Now you understood how you can create a flow that will take action on behalf of you. So even there are multiple scenario it can be. Suppose you are creating a Copilot agent for HR related services, and HR wants to get employee details. So you can connect in the flow action. You can connect to the database, or you can connect to any other places or any other store where you have the employee data, employee details. You can access those details and create tickets on behalf of you. And also if you want to send an email, as I said, in the flow when we have created, you can access the flow directly from here. You don't have to go to the SharePoint ticket. When we have created, um, you can see that our flow has run successfully. You can see this 3 minutes ago I ran that, and our flow ran successfully. Our ticket has been created. So in the designer, what I wanted to show, there could be many more things you can provide as an action item. For example, let's say send an email. So send an email notification. Suppose I want to send an email notification to any user that let me, okay, just some message I am typing. Hi, a new support ticket has been created. Please look into this on priority. Okay, thanks by your Copilot agent. Okay, because this ticket was created by Copilot agent. So let's see, and we can save this. Okay, this flow is successful. If you want to test this flow, you can check there are no error or warning. And if you want to test it here directly without going to the agent, you can test it here also. In the right side you can see the test option. You can test your flow that you have already created. So let's test it. Flow ran successfully. Okay, now let's go back to our agent and run the agent again. VPN issue. Please describe the issue. Laptop not connecting to VPN. No, issue not resolved. You need to create a ticket. Please describe your name. Sandeep M. And laptop ID. This time let's say Windows 90123123. Okay, it is asking for SharePoint connection because this is restricted. See, I have received a ticket. A ticket has been created. There is a new ticket created. Please look into this immediately. This is the email that I have sent. So my email has been received and for my previous run, and this operating system Windows, let's say for one I'm giving 2 VPN error, and for 3 business impact high, and let's say okay, so this is the ticket it wants to create. It is asking for my confirmation. Let's say I confirmed. All right, my ticket has been created, new ticket has been created, and email also sent. So everything is working fine. We'll review the ticket, contact us as this, and email also sent. Let me see my new email received. Yes. Okay. So if you want to send an email, if you want to create a ticket in SharePoint, everything, all the action can be done by uh, your flow. So once you create this flow, let me go to SharePoint and see in my tickets page. See, you can see all the tickets that I have given here because the column name are mismatching here. Issue description, I should have given these column names, but the tickets are created. You can see that tickets are created. Let me go to the details of the tickets. Okay, enter value here, enter your email address. These tickets are created now. So okay, you can see all these tickets in my SharePoint site. It has been created. As I said, if you don't know how to create a SharePoint site, please comment in the comment box. I will help you in those details as well. And email also I have received for the tickets created. So all my action items are done now. You can think of many use cases using this flow. So this is flow is this creating this flow is the real action where you will your chatbot will become a Copilot agent now. So hope you like this video, and if you like this, please subscribe to my channel for further coming more advanced videos on Copilot agent, and like and share with your friends so that we can share knowledge on Agentic AI.